Welcome to this tutorial on Azure Synapse ARM template. In this guide we will explore the benefits of using Azure Synapse ARM template and how it can help you manage your Azure Synapse resources efficiently. Firstly, let us understand what Azure Synapse is. Azure Synapse is a limitless analytics service that brings together enterprise data warehousing and big data analytics. It allows you to integrate and analyze data from various sources and provides a unified view of your business. Now let us talk about ARM templates. ARM stands for Azure Resource Manager. ARM template is a JSON file that defines the infrastructure and configuration of your Azure resources. It allows you to define the desired state of your resources in a declarative way. Using Azure Synapse ARM template provides several benefits. It allows you to automate the deployment of your Azure Synapse resources. You can define the resources you need in a template and deploy them consistently across different environments. This helps to reduce errors and improve productivity. Another benefit of using Azure Synapse ARM template is that it provides version control. You can store your template in a source control system like Git and track changes to your resources over time. This helps to improve collaboration and auditing. Azure Synapse ARM template also provides a clear and consistent way to manage your resources. You can define the resources you need and their dependencies in a single template. This helps to simplify the management of complex environments. To get started with Azure Synapse ARM template, you need to create a template file. This file should include the definition of your Azure Synapse resources such as workspaces, databases and pipelines. You can then use the Azure CLI or Azure PowerShell to deploy the template to your Azure subscription. Best practices for using Azure Synapse ARM template include keeping your template organized and modular. You should break down large templates into smaller ones to improve readability and maintainability. You should also use parameters to make your template reusable across different environments. In conclusion, using Azure Synapse ARM template provides several benefits including automation, version control and consistent management of your Azure Synapse resources. By following best practices and keeping your template organized, you can improve productivity and reduce errors. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we hope you have a better understanding of why to use Azure Synapse ARM template.